Welcome to Mail Backup X.
How to automatically backup Outlook 365 on Mac OS X.
Follow the few simple steps as explained in video.
Download and install the Mail Backup X application on your Mac. Once the installation is completed, launch Mail Backup X. You are presented with dashboard. You may choose to set up a new backup profile from the dashboard by choosing option, Set up a new backup. Or you may click My Backup Profiles on the left sidebar in Dashboard greater than and click, Set up a new backup profile. You will be presented options of popular mail clients. Choose Microsoft Outlook and proceed to next step. Now please choose main identity for the version for which you would like to backup email data. Mail Backup X will read and display the folder structure specified by you in Outlook Mac mail accounts. Please deselect the folders you would like to be automatically backupped. Let the checkbox stay checked for automatically backup newly detected folders under selected folders. It will allow the app to backup any new folders you create under the selected folders in future. Now you are presented with advanced options like setting frequency of mail backup, secure your backup archive by encrypting the data, so it can only be viewed on this computer. You may also activate the USB Auto Snapshot option by assigning a USB drive. So, whenever you connect the USB drive, it automatically makes a snapshot copy. You can set the location of backup to local disk drive or cloud service by authenticating and adding cloud space. Outlook Mac Mail Backup Profile is set up and now your emails should have started to back up as per the options and settings you selected during the previous steps. After the progress bar is completed, you will notice a green check mark next to the status suggesting the mail backup is completed.
For more information, contact us. Thanks for watching Mail Backup X.